Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Copper CRM integrations using OAuth, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Copper CRM website. Log into your Copper CRM account. Navigate to the settings page. Look for the API and integrations section. Click on the option to create a new integration. Select the OAuth option for authentication. Fill in the required fields, including the name and description of your integration. Specify the redirect URI where the OAuth response should be sent. Set the necessary permissions for your integration. Click on the button to generate your client ID and client secret. Take note of both your client ID and client secret for future use. Next, open a new tab and access the OAuth authorization endpoint. Compose the authorization URL using your client ID and redirect URI. Request the appropriate scopes based on the access you need. Use the authorization URL to initiate the OAuth flow. Follow the prompts to authorize your integration with Copper CRM. Once authorized, you'll be redirected to the specified redirect URI. In the redirect URI, retrieve the authorization code from the URL parameters. Return to your original tab and prepare to exchange the authorization code for an access token. Craft a post request to the token endpoint, including your client ID, client secret, and the authorization code. Ensure to set the correct header for the content type as application/xwww formerly encoded. Send the request and await the response from the server. Once you receive a successful response, locate the access token in the response body. Store your access token securely, as you'll need it for future API calls. If necessary, also note the refresh token provided. Understand the usage limits associated with your access token. Implement error handling in your API integration. Test your integration to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.